Don't you just love that sound? Welcome back to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. I hope that you guys are as excited about planting as I am. Today is day 2 of starting my garden seeds. It has been a week since I started the first batch. Work and other things delayed further planting, but here we are today. The overnight temperature still dipped just below freezing. Despite that, I am hoping the greenhouse is warm enough for the seeds to germinate. I expect to see little seedlings this week. Aside from that, I am about halfway done planting all the seeds to get us started this spring and summer. And as you can see, my husband is finishing up weeding, leveling the beds, and adding a top layer of compost to the beds using our compost. I will do a video on how we make our own compost using kitchen scraps and chicken poop. In getting a close look at the bed my husband just added the compost, you can see crushed eggshells and the pine shavings from the chicken coop that catch the chicken poop. My husband is watering the 2 front center beds to finish up our day in the greenhouse. The first bed is the herb bed, and the next will contain some leafy vegetables. The side beds were also weeded. The bok choy, arugula, and greens will remain in those beds until we are ready to transplant some of the seedlings, at which point everything will be eaten or preserved to make room for the transplants. And the beds will be covered with a layer of our compost. Until then, we will continue to eat from these beds. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to help this small channel to grow.